Ford recently released a how-to article demonstrating step-by-step on how to disconnect a front stabilizer bar. Now, for Bronco equipped with the option, the article summary is in Bronco Nation. And this article is by Bronco Nation, 2021 Ford Bronco front stabilizer bar disconnection, how to. Brad Lovell is a legend in the Bronco community. Being thus, when you ask the pro racer who had a hand in the 2021 Bronco development and testing what his favorite feature of the Bronco is, and he says the stabilizer bar disconnect, you better believe it, and it's good. Now, the IFS stabilizer bar disconnect is a great combo, independent front suspension and net. Now, I recently got a chance to go shotgun with Brad, who took the Bronco through the fun Haver course at the Bronco Loft Rodeo, Texas. Now, given the professional drivers take you from start to finish under 2 minutes, I had to talk fast after expressing my excitement for the ride. I went right to the meat. What do they like most about the all-new Bronco and why? Brad was ready with an answer, the stabilizer bar disconnect option. And as we launched over what would have been a bone-rattling bump in other SUVs, but barely phased us as occupants in the Bronco thanks to the independent front suspension, his reasoning was especially timely. And that's some great news. What the stabilizer disconnect shows that the Bronco is the comfort of the independent front suspension with articulation. And that really makes a big difference in the Bronco. And now, why would you want this feature? Now, articulation is incredibly important in off-roading adventures. You want as many wheels on the ground as possible for traction, for safety, and while it's having the ability to go over the obstacles in front of you, disconnecting the sway bar is an easy way to increase your range. Now, the Bronco with the stub bar disconnect, as mentioned, not all Broncos have the hero feature. Wildtrak, notably for a higher trim level, does not due to its Baja focus use. The feature is standard on the Badlands in the first edition. Now, how to disconnect a stabilizer bar? Now, disconnecting the sway bar on the Bronco is easy. A simple push on the button located on the dash with the other hero switches is all it takes. A few notes on this. Now, you can only use the option in 4H or 4L. Now, with your Bronco traveling below 20 miles per hour, above 20, the bar will automatically reconnect, and standby mode will be activated. Meaning, if you go below 20, the bar will again disconnect. Now, if you're in goat mode or rock crawl, the bar will automatically disconnect. Reconnecting the bar is equally as easy. Push the button, select the goat mode that doesn't use the step bar disconnect, or turn off the engine. I tell you, this door right here is awesome, but it's not going to be in production. But that is definitely how to use the front stabilizer bar disconnect and the importance of it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome day. And you guys are fantastic for coming by. Thank you for your support, and thank you for everything. I hope you guys enjoy your Bronco and enjoy this information. It's A Automotive Reviews. Have an awesome day.
Hey you guys, A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.